Hello, all my fabulous, beautiful women and my male viewers as well. If you are watching my channel, if you're new to my channel, hi, this is Batul Diwan, and I am passionate to work for women who feel lonely, stuck, maybe loveless, maybe powerless in their life. Maybe there are some kind of wound, some kind of toxic relationships, some kind of challenges they are going through, but they are not able to evolve out of it. Or maybe they are stuck in their career but they are not feeling really progressing or fulfilled. They feel there is something lacking, something their heart and soul longs for, but they don't know what it is and how to come out of the situation to live their dream life, to live a really fulfilled and full life, a life of flow. Hi, I am here to help you with that because this is what my mission is. Because I have been there. What you feel, whatever problems I just stated, I have been there and I have come out of it. And that's why now it's my turn to help you with it. So if you feel that you resonate with any of it, I welcome you to join the WhatsApp community I am making for people like you, for like-minded women like you, where I actually regularly, very closely work with those women. I share my inner work, simple tips. I at times ask them that what kind of topic they want me to speak on, or at times I give them a free session. Like that. So you are most welcome to join that WhatsApp community. Also, if you are my male viewer and if you are a female viewer as well, and there is something in your heart you want to really speak about, you want to share with me, and you think that it's high time, you want to work on it, you can click another link in the description box which will be on booking a one-on-one clarity call, a free call where we shall discuss all your challenges and we shall try to work on the solution for it. Okay. So coming back to today's topic, which is on life of flow. I have already made 2 videos on point number 1 and point number 2 to live a life of flow. So life of flow starts with developing this one trait, one character in you, which is having faith in universe, having faith in the universal processes, having faith in the higher, having faith in the divine, having faith in whoever you believe in. But you will ask me, Batul, if everything is going around us in negative direction, if my life is in turmoil, how can I have faith? Yes, I understand that. But let me tell you one thing, my girl, that universe is always working. Now you have to choose, you want it to work in your favor or you want it to work against you. If you want it to work in your favor, maybe you need to strengthen this one characteristic, and trust me, it will start showing you result very soon. I am speaking with my own personal experience, and that is why coming to the topic, that is life of flow, and today is point number 3 which I am going to share. So point number 3 is, whenever you wake up in the morning, talk to God. Talk to God, talk to divine, talk to whoever you believe in. If you want to address it as universe, talk to it. So what I do is, I wake up in the morning, even if my brain, my head, my mind, whatever it is in between state where I'm not completely wake up nor I'm completely asleep. I consciously start speaking to God or universe or whoever you want to address it as that thank you God for waking me up. Thank you for this beautiful life, and thank you for always protecting me. Thank you for keeping me safe. Thank you for providing all the beautiful opportunities you are providing and you are making coming my way. Thank you for making me a woman whose eyes are open to recognize these opportunities. Thank you for making me a woman who is courageous enough to not only recognize these opportunities but also grab it. And thank you for making me a person who acts on it, and that is why I get these opportunities converted into the favorable circumstances I want to live in, I want to have in my life. And that is how I progress in my life. I am always safe, I'm always protected. Thank you for taking care of me always. I am always in the right place at the right time. Whatever I require always comes to me. You bring it to me. You know how powerful these statements? You can pause the video, you can write down each of the statement, and you may start practicing it. And you know why this time is also important? Because when we wake up in the morning, our brain is in transcending from the deepest brain wave level, which is delta, to theta, to alpha. And these are the brain waves. Delta is the deep sleep state where you are not even awake, but theta and alpha are the transitional state where your imagination, your visualizations are at its peak, where you are relaxed. So if you tap into deep brain frequency, then if you exercise and utilize your body state when your brain is in this frequency, it will accelerate your journey. Because when your brain is in this frequency and you are doing something very deep, you are more prone to connect to the universe. You are more prone to actually align and attract those situations actually in your life to make it manifest in your 3D reality. That is why morning time is very powerful, because your brain is in that frequency. And that is why I always say that first thing in the morning, please don't take your phone and start WhatsApping or seeing your social media. First thing in the morning, I would highly recommend do this what I'm sharing with you. Or if you can go one step ahead, sit in meditation. But at least do this practice of talking to universe. And then throughout the day, entire day, pay attention to what is happening with you. Pay attention, be really observant, pay very deep attention to everything happening to you, and see how even if a small thing is aligning with you, which you asked in the morning or which you really desire in your life, if you see that even the smallest thing is aligning and falling in place, say thank you. Tell it in your mind, acknowledge it, and say, wow, it is happening. Because you know what? When you appreciate something, it appreciates multifold. What you appreciate appreciates multifold. And this is not some philosophy. I've experienced this. And multiple successful people, if you go out and hear their stories, they will also bring you back to the same point. So whenever something is happening, you're observing throughout the day, which is going in your favor, recognize it, acknowledge it, and appreciate it in your mind, and thank the universe, thank the higher, thank whoever you pray to. And that is how you can build a life of flow, and that is how you'll be able to strengthen your faith even more. If you haven't already watched the video number 1 and video number 2 of Life of Flow, where I talked about how you can strengthen faith by number 1 surrendering and number 2 dropping the desperation around your desire, I would highly recommend go back and watch those videos. I will link them somewhere here. You can go back and watch them, and please start following it. It seems very simple, but trust me, they are very profound and powerful. I have practiced them myself, and that is why I am sharing with you. So that is all for today. Hope you like the stuff. If yes, then please like it. Share it with people you think they might be requiring this, and I'm sure there might be some people who will be requiring this. And subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. My name is Batul, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.